play guitar? Well, I'm John W. Loudermilk, and I've created something to help you do exactly that. I've been playing music for over 20 years, and I know the ins and the outs of the music industry, and I'd like to share that information with you. The program that I've developed will walk you through everything you need to and want to know about playing the guitar. So what are you waiting for? Let's start my Guitar Master course today. And let's do something awesome.